Today we're going to see an original Milton Farmhouse built in 1929. Notice the dinner bell? That's how parents would text their kids to come home in bygone days. The farmhouse architectural style is still incredibly popular throughout Milton, but nothing can quite touch the character and charm of an original. The home sits on over 3 acres of lush tree-lined pasture land. There's a 4-stall barn, a detached garage with an ADU apartment above it. There's a big wraparound porch, the perfect place to enjoy a cold beverage in the evening and say hey to your neighbors as they enjoy walking the dirt roads surrounding the property. This is 14125 Phillips Circle in Milton. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 5,000 square feet of living space, listed for $1,775,000 by Allison Catula with Compass. Look at the beautiful heart pine hardwood floors, the board and batten accents, all elements that are frequently imitated, rarely duplicated. Think about it, almost 100 years later, details that are ubiquitously included in new construction got their start in homes just like this. You've got private access to the wraparound porch and a great view of Phillips Circle from this bedroom, one of 2 ensuite bedrooms here on the main level. The primary is on the upper level. This home just breathes history. Walking through it is such a cool sensory experience. The subtle creak of the floors, the faint smell of wood, the rustic lines and the flat plank ceiling that reveals its age the way a grandparent's face does. Not as flaws, but as signs of character. You can sense how the cozy fireside living room has brought families together for generations. The kitchen's been completely updated, but in a way that preserves the original charm of the home. A visually striking coffered ceiling, butcher block island, quartzite countertops on the new custom cabinets, exposed shelves, a professional grade 6-burner gas range with a gorgeous copper backsplash. It's a really beautiful renovation, and of course one of the best features is the view from the sink, looking out at the old plow, the 4-rail horse fence, and Phillips Circle. I love the little coffee nook wet bar, obviously an addition since this home was built during Prohibition, although many people in this area of Georgia distilled their own adult beverages. This entire dining area, family room, is also an addition. Like the kitchen renovation, they did a great job of keeping it true to the home's original character. It's surrounded by big windows, filling the space with natural light and providing views of the lovely rural landscape. The family room's a great spot to gather and stream some of today's many entertainment options, or to watch the deer play in the backyard. Hey there. Deer tend to be daily visitors in this area. They're fun to watch, but they drive our dog crazy. He's very territorial. You've got a newly added covered back deck. Great spot for grilling and an absolutely amazing spot for outdoor dining. For families, this is like the OG Discord server where kids can get together and play with their friends. It's called Outside, and the opportunities for fun are endless. There's a tree swing, ample space to play football, soccer, cornhole for riding horses, and there's no HOA, so you can keep horses, raise chickens, goats, any kind of animal you could possibly want. You're surrounded by spectacular horse farms here. Phillips Circle connects to Wood Road, Brittle, and Summit, all dirt roads that are home to some of Milton's most magnificent properties. I love the Jeff Foxworthy joke, if directions to your home include the phrase, after you turn off the paved road, you might be a redneck. But I've noted before that in Milton that phrase is a status symbol. Milton residents like myself flock to these dirt roads to go on long walks and runs because there's very little traffic and the scenery is absolutely gorgeous. As a matter of fact, I have run by this house hundreds of times and I've always wanted to see the inside, so this is a real treat for me. Here's the mudroom and laundry room. This was probably the back porch when it was originally built. But since the back deck was added, this is an ideal spot for families to drop off their backpacks and sports gear when they come in from school in the afternoon. When the house was built in 1929, your only education options would have been either homeschooling or have the kids walk miles to a little one-room schoolhouse. But now you're zoned for one of the top public schools in all of the United States, Milton High School, which gets an amazing 10 out of 10 rating on great schools. We've got a nice sitting area, loft at the top of the landing, excellent lounge or study space for kids. There are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 en suite on the upper upper level. The secondaries are very cool kids' rooms. This one has great built-in shelves for organizing books, toys, and clothes. And it has a super fun loft for sleepovers. Any kid would love that. There is a walk-in closet, great windows for capturing the views and maybe for sneaking out when they're teenagers. The tin roof over the porch could be a good security system to alert the parents if that ever happens. I don't think they're very quiet when kids walk on them. As rural and remote as this home seems, in reality, you're only a few minutes away from downtown Crabapple and downtown Alpharetta and Avalon, where you have access to some of the best dining and shopping destinations in all of Metro Atlanta. This is the entry vestibule to the massive primary suite. Just look at this sitting area, bigger than some home living rooms. Built-in bookshelves partition the sleeping area from the sitting room. And just look at the visually interesting shape and detail of the beamed shiplap ceiling. It's such a large space, you even have room for a 2-person infrared sauna. An amazing addition to any primary suite. And if you like to enjoy a little fresh air and direct sunlight when you roll out of bed in the morning, you also have direct access to a private deck. It's east facing, so it would be a spectacular vantage point to watch the sunrise every morning, or at least on the occasional morning if you like to sleep in a little. The home offers such a unique lifestyle with its blend of the historical and the modern, the rural and suburban. You really get the best of several worlds. The ensuite bath has dual vanities, a dedicated dressing area, a big walk-in shower, frameless glass door with a waterfall head and a handheld. The home probably didn't have indoor plumbing when it was built, but that's a modern innovation that everyone seems to be happy with. I've never heard of anyone who's nostalgic to bring back the outhouse. There's a walk-in closet complete with a custom organization system. I can't say enough how the owners over the years have really done an amazing job of maintaining the home's original historic character and feel while adding so many modern amenities. I love this secondary bedroom with its gleaming hardwood floors, vaulted roof, and it too has its own fun sleeping or play loft. Kids wouldn't have to fight over who got the room with the loft. This one has a great ensuite bath, shower, a soaking tub, some nice built-ins. It even has a dressing area built into the vanity. There's also a 750 square foot studio apartment over the detached garage. There's some work being done, so we're not going to have a chance to go out and see that today. If you're interested in this exceptional property, the sellers are offering an incentive for those who finance through Bart Eiler with Edge Home Finance. They can take advantage of a temporary rate buy-down. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this wonderful historic property in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.